Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our latest tweeter speaker and the door cover speaker for our ambient lighting. This is the latest style. If we get closer, you can see the design is totally new compared to the old one. This is for newer 2022 and up design. Right now you can put it in your W205 or your GLC. Again, this is a W205, so we did the full ambient lighting. You can see how bright they are. A lot of shops, they offer this type of job, but they don't do the complete set. We did the AMG for the passenger side, and you can see the brightness, it's crazy. And here you can see the new tweeter and the speaker cover. And if you come to the back, this is the hardest part that most of the shops, they skip this part to add ambient light to the back of the seats. It's kind of 2 to 3 hours job to add those strips to the back of the seat. The whole seat has to be removed, and then we can work on it. If you're interested to get this type of ambient lighting for your C-Class, GLC, or any other Mercedes or other cars that we are listed on our website 4x4Shop.ca, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca.